Namaste. Upanishad mantras are very pregnant with the meaning. Each sentence we take, we can create the whole lot of journey of our life towards the spirituality. One such sentence from the mantra Sahana Bhavatu is Sahanau Bhunaktu. Taking the cue from the word called Sahanau Bhunaktu, keeping that as the key word, Vivekananda Yoga Research Foundation, where we have taken this particular mantra as the Shanti mantra for every practices that we have taken. Yoga Bharati picked up that, and on that basis this whole Yoga Bharati is created. Very successfully completed 20 years of journey, successful journey of Yoga Bharati with the help of more than 1,500 yoga teachers, and the people who are involved in the various yoga classes range from 10 years to 75 years, different age groups, with an idea that we all nourish together. And the connection between the teacher and student in Yoga Bharati, the culture that we have developed, is the idea of one-on-one connection. The classes may be many, but the teachers directly connect with the students, participants so closely. Any activity we do, it is doing together with all these people to see that how not only it is beneficial to both of them, but also to the world around, to the society around. That's why it is called as Sahano Bhunaktu. In this particular journey, Yoga Bharati becomes only a platform where anybody with good ideas contributing towards this direction join together. That's how Yoga Bharati was able to create a beautiful platform for various schools and various great sages and sannyasins to come and participate in that. And Yoga Bharati has several centers. It is there in Bay Area, California, and also Los Angeles, and we also have Denver, Detroit. Together with that, we have a huge activity base that is created in Bangalore. All these things are trying to see that how we can bring the various yoga schools together. The idea of yoga itself means joining. It's not only joining the various personalities within, but to see that like-minded journey people who are there in the spiritual path, we go in that direction. This wonderful Yoga Bharati organization, platform, or a movement we call it as, is the one which celebrated a international conference earlier very successfully. Several research projects have been taken up, and then activities are spread into various areas. Continuously, all the time, along with the yoga, we have taken the journey towards spirituality. That's the specialty in which that Yoga Bharati is going. Now, this is something where there is nothing like a big hierarchy or anything like that. We are all equal, journey together. A journey should be something like a very pleasant, joyful and festivity activity that's going to take place. So in this particular journey, we are really blessed to have the association of many great ideas, minds, thoughts, like Swami Bodhananda, or people like Prasad Kaipa, and several others joined us, and to see that this particular movement is very successful. So I wish all the people who are involved in this Yoga Bharati activity, Yoga Bharati family, a great success. Thank you so much for being part of this great movement called as Yoga Bharati. And this Yoga Bharati is also together with that. Other yoga organizations we are associated with that, like the way that Hindu University of America is one thing that we are associated with. Vayu is another university we are associated, Vivekananda Yoga Research Foundation, Vyasa Centers, we are associated with that. Apart from that, back in India also, that there are several organizations which we are associated. Organizations like Disha Bharat, Youth for Seva, Dhruva College of Management, all these things put together, that Yoga Bharati becomes like a beautiful rainbow colors umbrella where everybody takes part in this particular thing. Such an activity, there's a movement that's going on. It doesn't depend upon one particular individual, because everybody participates, everybody does that. Always have been a motto that we say that Yama Niyama has the basis for this organization, out of which particularly what we adapt is the idea called as non-violence, ahimsa, and also satya, and more importantly santosha. We always have that festive feeling and a feeling of satisfaction that we do it. And in order to take this yoga to the most modern kind of a language and idea that we have adapted, is the research projects, that is the latest research that is being done. And also we have adapted not only that the practice of yoga, but the whole of philosophical background. We try to work with that. So the lectures, the talks, and various philosophical texts of yoga has become part of the journey of Yoga Bharati. So anybody who enters into the Yoga Bharati to start with may be doing some simple asanas, maybe for some health issues, but the journey continues for a long time for a spiritual growth. Whatever that we do it, because it belongs to the Sanatana Dharma, there is one particular direction of goal in the case of Sanatana Dharma, and that's what is the spiritual enhancement of individual. Once we are doing that, naturally the health, harmony, all these things become part of the journey that we are doing. So once again, I wish you all on this Yoga Bharati journey of 20 years completion of this, and we are looking forward this journey to many more years, and many more people joining together to see that this journey becomes like a true spiritual journey of a mankind way of life. Wish you all the best, and I invoke the blessings from all the yoga acharyas, yoga siddhas, and yoga purushas. They were there earlier and then living today, to bless all of us in this journey of Yoga Bharati for a wonderful, purposeful, fruitful journey. Dhanjosmi. Thank you.